Okay, so if mommy is, no, if Nana is gorgeous, what is mommy?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. You said earlier she's only pretty.
Pretty and beautiful.
But you said Nana is gorgeous. How did Nana become gorgeous?
Because I kissed her.
Oh, when you kiss her, she became gorgeous? She's like a frog?
No!
Ay, ganun pala yun, Mama. So, when a princess kissed the frog, it became a princess.
Gorgeous.
So now it becomes gorgeous, Mama.
Are you sure Nana is gorgeous?
Yeah.
Are you sure? What's
You know,
what's your
It's not good to lie.
You're not lying. You lying, Biba.
No, I'm not lying now.
You're the one who said Nana is gorgeous.
Yeah.
When everybody knows Nana is handsome.
Yeah.
Is Nana gorgeous?
Whoa.
Nana is gorgeous, right?
No, Nana is not gorgeous.
The word is
That's not
nipa.
Niya,
No,
yan,
we're not.
yeah, Nana is ngit pa.
No.
Why? Look at the drawing that you did. She's ngit pa.
Hey, she's not.
She is.
No, she's not.
She is. No lying.
You lying.
Okay, we're just gonna pretend that Nana is gorgeous. Even if she's not, it's okay.
If I say Nana
That
is
will make
gorgeous,
you
then
happy.
I'm lying.
Yeah. God doesn't like liars.
Yeah.
I'm not a liar. I'm Tata.
Ask tatay. Even tatay.
Even Tatay.
Ask tatay.
Yeah.
Tatay will
You
say,
know
"She's
that
not
Tatay
gorgeous."
said Nana smells like soil
No.
because she doesn't take a. Tatay said, "Oh, Nana, you didn't take a bath. You smell like a soil."
No.
Did you ask Tatay if Nana is gorgeous?
Yeah.
Did Tatay answer you?
No, tatay just
No?
said, I don't have a choice.
Oh, he did.
Really?